So in this tutorial we are going to see how to show a geological map in 3D view using Google Earth Pro. But before we are going to start with a geological map, so this should be a shapefile inside of a GIS software. So in this example I'm using ArcGIS desktop. So you can use any GIS software like QGIS. So first you should have this shapefile of your geology map. Like in my case here I have a geological map of study area in Italy. So as you can see, those are the geological formations, and we are going to export the geological map and view it inside of Google Earth Pro. So the first thing that we are going to do is to convert this file into a KMZ or a KML file so we can import it inside of Google Earth Pro. So to do so, first head over to this search button, click on it, and then type in KML, click enter. So you will get a lot of results. So we are going to use this layer to KML, click on it. This is a converter that we are going to use to convert our shapefile geological map into a KMZ KML file. So now for the layer, just click here and select map. And here you can select where you want to save your output KMZ file. So navigate to where you want to save it, name it, and then click on save. After that, click on OK. So at the end of this process, you will get this window. Now if you get back to your folder, you will find that we have created a geology map KMZ file. So now we are going to open Google Earth Pro. Now we should make sure that the 3D terrain is active in Google Earth Pro. To verify this, head over to Tools and then click on Options. Go to Terrain and make sure that Use High Quality Terrain is selected. Click on Apply and then OK. Okay, now let's import our KMZ file. To do this, head over to File and then click on Open. Navigate to your work folder and click the KMZ file that we have just created and then click on Open. Now you can see that Google Earth Pro will go directly to our study area. Now you can see that we have imported our geology map, and you can see now your geology in 3D view. If you want, you can increase the exaggeration of the elevation. To do this, head over to Tools again, click on Options, and here in Elevation Exaggeration you can change this value. Let's go for example with 2, and now you can see your geology map in better perspective. Now if you want to export this view as an image, you can click on this Save Image, and if you want you can put the legend, but you can here go to Map option, select or deselect any parameters that you want. For the resolution you can choose any resolution that you want. Let's go for example with HD and click then on Save Image. Again, navigate to your work folder, name your image and then click on Save. You will get an image that looks just like this one. So this is the end of this tutorial. I hope that you got some useful information. So please like it and subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.